elevator. First, close the door. 5, 10, close up. Then you cut there. 1. Okay, go up now. 3 now. 2, it's 2. 3. 3 now. 4. 4 now. Okay, 5 now. Okay, it's open. Then there was nothing there. Happened. Okay, let's go down. Close the door and 0. Shut the door. Shut the door and do this. Okay, it's now. Okay, I'm ready.
Oh, iso diha.
4. It's 3. Ding ding. Looks is open. This is the cool elevator. Look, it's machine. This is the elevator. There. Elevator. Watching it. How to do that down. Exercise. Exercise. Up and down. Exercise. Okay. I'm leaving.